Welcome to the audio excerpts of special seminars and conversations with Nalan Narula on gettingpositivekarmanow.com.
So karma can only be changed, this binding karma can only be changed by spiritual force. But because you are an embodied being in this body full of karma and this deteriorating and regenerating matter system which is always changing, it's clear that you are subservient to that. But the nature is not. The nature can be superior if you have enough power. So that power is coming from Reiki. So you need to be connected to a powerful source of spiritual energy, an empowered source that gives you the capability of overturning or applying that external force which is stronger to change the direction. So that's how your karma changes, because you're changing the direction of your karma. How are you changing? Just by raking your body, which is made of karma only. At the cellular level, every level, there's a programming inside your system, which is originating from your karmic bank balance. So when you're raking your body, it is changing your karmic programming also. So this is how karma changes. By placement of spiritual energy, which is highly intelligent. And it is also participating in your life to help you to get to the point by allowing you to direct the energy in ways which are fulfilling to you. So basically we are spiritualizing all our activities, even our daily activities, by raking it. You are eating food, everybody has to eat food. Now there is karma involved in eating food. There are 5 types of householder karma. You are killing entities in order to clean the food, to sweep. When you light the fire, when you boil the food, you are killing millions of entities who also got the same consciousness particle, but they are not so evolved in their bodily format. So the consciousness cannot express itself that much. It is like one parent has 3 children, one is not so intelligent. So the others will say, okay, let's kill him and eat him because he's animalistic, like an animal. Parent will not allow. But because the body is not developed, the consciousness is not expressing itself. But the quality of the consciousness is the same. So how do you get rid of that karma? You can't. By material means you can't. There's nothing you can do to get rid of it except to apply superior force, a superior energy, which is spiritual energy. And there are many types of spiritual energies available by initiation. What you have received today is a diksha or an initiation to that spiritual energy, which is known as Reiki. And this Reiki energy has certain qualities and certain capabilities, which you are being taught on a practical basis, that just by healing your body, how you can heal your life. There is no other system like this, where by putting energy in your body, your whole external life changes. That's only possible if, in fact, the external universe of your experience is a reflection of your inner state. So as your inner state changes, the external reflection also must change. If you are patching up the external reflection, inner state is not changing. You can't change external nature. So by trying to have a material solution to problems devoid of spiritual inputs, they are never successful. Cannot be. They are only temporarily successful. It requires rejigging every time.
You've been listening to a discussion with Nalan Narula on www.gettingpositivekarmanow.com.